Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the fifth question of exercise 11.3. So it is if ABC are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So we know a property of triangles that sum of all angles of a triangle, sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. From this conclusion, we can see that C or A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. So I took A plus C to the right hand side, so it become minus C. So A plus B equal to 180 minus C. So I initially will consider the LHS side, so left hand side, which is tan of A plus B by 2. And I'm going to substitute A plus B equal to 180 minus C. So this will be tan 180 minus C by 2. From this, I can divide the denominator to both of the numerators. So this would be 180 by 2 minus C by 2. And we know that 180 by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. So this would be tan 90 minus C by 2. We know the property of which is tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So therefore tan 90 minus C by 2 would be cot C by 2. Since tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So this cot C by 2 is actually the RHS, right hand side of the given question. So if A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Initially took the LHS side and substitute A plus B equal to 180 minus C and eventually got the RHS. Therefore, since LHS is equal to RHS, the given thing is proved. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Let's meet in the next one. Thank you.